Welcome to Hogar's world of smart IoT solutions for smart homes. Thank you for trusting us with your space and choosing Hogar's 3-node Zwave smart module. Hogar 3-node is retrofit and so easy to install that you can switch to a smart life of comfort and convenience in an instant. Hogar 3-node works on Zwave and lets you configure and automate existing lights, fans, appliances, as well as your curtains and blinds through your smartphone, tablet, or by voice commands. The list of possibilities you can automate is bounded only by your imagination. We are 4 quick steps away from switching to your smart home of comfort and convenience. Let's begin. Step 1. Let's do some quick pre-installation mandatory checks. Ensure the load and power requirements of your switch matches the tech specs mentioned in the manual of 3-node. Next, ensure you have turned off your mains and there is no running power. Great! Now unscrew the switch faceplate. You may use a flathead screwdriver to open the switchboard gently. Step 2. Let's decide the custom mode in which you want the 3-node to run in by toggling its DIP switch. By toggling both its DIP switches up, you can control and automate any 3 of your switches. By toggling its left DIP switch down and right DIP switch up, you can control and automate any 2 of your switches. By toggling both its DIP switches down, you can control and automate any 1 of your switches. Lastly, you can also run it in curtain mode to control and automate your smart curtains and blinds by toggling left DIP switch up and right DIP switch down. Step 3. Next, let's get the 3-node module wired to your home. First, connect the neutral wire from your switchboard to the N terminal of 3-node. Second, connect the line wire from your switchboard to the L terminal of 3-node. Third, connect the load wires from your switchboard to the O terminal of 3-node. Fourth, connect the target switch wires from your switchboard to the S terminals of 3-node. Done! It was actually that easy. Step 4. You are just 1 step away from experiencing the comfort and convenience of your new smart home. Turn on your mains to power on the 3-node. Download the Hogar PRO app from either Play Store or Apple Store. Open your Hogar PRO app, tap on Setup Devices in the general menu. Select your HC from the controller list, then tap on Zwave and click on Add Devices. Press and hold of the configuration button for 10 seconds till you see a steady blue LED. Immediately check your Hogar PRO app to see a successful pop-up notification of 3-node being added. Voila! You have successfully automated your home with Hogar 3-node Smart Module. Remember to screw back the faceplate. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the convenience of controlling your existing switches either through your Hogar app or through your voice commands via Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. You can also set automation schedules for a specific time or automate triggers to other interlinked smart devices. Add more to your home from Hogar's range of smart home solutions and live a smart life of infinite possibilities. Visit our website at www.hogarcontrols.com to build yourself a custom smart home solution.